Sorry, I am not available at the moment. You can leave a message after the beep and I'll call you back. Just kidding, it's not my voicemail, it's a drawing video. Gotcha. Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. It is that time of the year again, the time when I want to draw a face and fill it with patterns like you would expect on a mandala. As you can see, I am first sketching the head with pencil on my sketchbook. I hope you can pick up the penciling from the footage. Anyway, it's not gonna last that long. I got a bit frustrated with the sketch. It was supposed to be very quick, since the point was the mandala ink pattern, but I kept spotting mistakes. Until the point where I actually remembered what my original goal was, and then I stopped the pencil sketch. I just needed an outline of the defining features to be able to show them just barely through the pattern. It's kind of fun to do. For example, near the borders of the head, I slightly angled the pattern, just so it would look like it's wrapping around the spherical shape that is the skull. It's kind of nice to do. It's pretty mindless. I can absent-mindedly doodle anything until I get bored of it and then move on to another staple of mandala art pattern. That is the beauty in mandalas. The patterns are very simple by themselves, but what makes it look good is when they are together. I guess I can tell you a few tricks I like to employ when I doodle such patterns. If you have two patterns that are a bit similar, let's say half circles blooming like petals and tiny spirals, you can separate them with a double line. You can see it everywhere in this doodle as it progresses. Mandalas are all about repetition. On this entire drawing there are maybe 6 or 7 different patterns, no more than that. And yet it doesn't get boring, because depending on how you arrange them, the feeling gets different. I also like to mix it up with long lines sometimes rather than always using the obvious circular arrangement of patterns. I haven't done a proper mandala in a long time. By that I mean a drawing where the circles are actually circular, with symmetry. If you zoom in on this here drawing, you can see that I'm not even close to being careful about my line art. The lines aren't precise, I overshoot quite a lot here and there. Were I to draw a proper mandala, I would start by using a compass to make good regular circles, then use it to evenly space the patterns in each concentric ring. Then I would absolutely make sure no lines cross or touch where they shouldn't. But not today. Today is not about making a clean mandala. In fact, I don't even know what today is about. I guess we'll figure it out together in a minute. But first, let me date this video with some analytics for personal log purposes. I am writing this on December 4th, 2022, and this drawing was made 3 days ago. As of now, you are 590 subscribers. Really close to 600, which is exciting. That is it for the analytics. I don't want to bother looking up the number of views and stuff. So it's December 4th, which means really soon the skiing stations will open around here, if they haven't already. I live in the French Alps, mostly because that's where my lab is, but also because the skiing stations are here. I can't wait to get on my snowboard again. It's been snowing at high altitude for a few weeks now, but the stations still aren't fully covered. It should be enough for the start of the season though. Every day when I walk to work, I look at the mountains in the distance to see the snow slowly piling up every day, little by little. I just said it, but I'll say it again. I can't wait to get on my snowboard again. I'm not that great at it, like I can't do crazy stuff, but I'm getting there. Last winter especially, I started being really comfortable using modules in the snowpark, like big kickers, half-pipes, rails and tables. This year my goal is to learn to reliably switch feet orientations to be able to 180 and 360 during jumps. The only times I've been successful last year was mainly because of luck, so I need to work on my balance, so that when I rotate in the air I can confidently land back on the snow. Yeah, this year is gonna be good. Alas, even though the stations should open this weekend, I don't think I'll be able to go before the new year. I have quite a bit of work to do before the holidays, for my PhD, and I also need to pump out drawing videos as well if I want to keep uploading while I'm away for 2 weeks. I think I'll make silent videos, just drawings and lo-fi music. I'm not sure I will have enough time and inspiration to write scripts for audio commentaries. I am really excited about the holidays. I haven't seen my parents in a while, I think since this summer. The only thing that bothers me a little, like every year, is the fact that my little bunny has to come with me. Usually when I leave for a week during the year, I have friends come by and feed the bun every day. In turn, when these friends leave, I take care of their bunny. It's like a bunny family. But around Christmas, my friends are obviously also gone back to their family, which means I have to bring Henry with me. Henry being the name of my bunny, by the way. So yeah, I'm excited for the holidays, but not necessarily for the 7-hour trip across the country with my travel bag, a bunny in a cage, and a big stack of hay and litter. That is the downside of having a pet and living far away. On the other hand, the upside is having a cute furry friend bunny hopping around my apartment 24/7, and that makes it absolutely worth it. Life is good. I know life is good right now when my biggest preoccupation is traveling with my pet. I hope your life is good too. I know sometimes it can be hard and tiring, and I think that's why I love talking about random things in these drawing videos so much. Writing things down helps put things into perspective and realize that I'm alright. If you clicked on this video thinking it was strictly about drawing abstract ink patterns in the shape of a head, I'm sorry. I have videos like that, but it's not the case for this one. I sincerely hope you still enjoyed watching my pen fill this page of my sketchbook. If you yourself don't draw, why not try your hand at it? Stop thinking and let the ink flow. It feels nice to do. Subscribe for more videos twice a week. Tell me in the comments what fun drawing challenge I could attempt next, and I'll see you around. Love you. Bye!